If I say up, you say. If I say left, you say. If I say stop, you say. You all have oppositional defiance disorder, correct?
This is you with a child. Relax. You know when they do the fake crying? And you're like this. Relax. Calm down. Take a breath. Breathe in. There's a tour coming. Calm down. Relax. It's okay.
All right, so you lose your what? Oh my God, I've never heard that word before.
Peanut butter jelly sandwiches! Freeze! And your big hands there. Everybody, 1, 2, 3, say crisscross, go!
That one associate comes by, you're like ducking underneath. Like just to make sure that they don't see you. You go like this, like, now go to the other side and look at when somebody else will do that. And there's that happiness and joy and laughter. Awesome.
We say things to our kids that we would never accept for ourselves. Finish this sentence. You get what you get.
You don't get upset.
Of course. Now, go out to dinner tonight.
How many of you have ever spent 1 minute of your life trying to change somebody else's opinion? 2 minutes, 5 minutes, your whole marriage. Here, what works better? Everybody, it's time to clean up, it's time to clean up, or who wants to clean up? It's a clean up day! Clean up, clean up, clean up, clean up, clean up. It doesn't matter if you go all the way down like this, or if you bend your arms like this and your body goes. Yogarati is a combination of yoga and martial arts. Talk yourself into getting out of your comfort zone. When you get yourself out of the comfort zone, you allow yourself to actually be a little more fun. Nice.